I look a bit wild, that is alright. I have no shame. Hi again, it's me, Patricia. I'm back with my wig. This is my brand new baby from Hairspells, hairspells.com. This wig is absolutely gorgeous, but it does have a bit of a synthetic looking hairline that we're going to help disguise today. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can wear a wig, make it look natural, because this looks very false. And while there are many things you could do to make your synthetic wig look a lot more natural, I made a video all about that, sometimes you just don't have the time. So today I'm going to be putting together a little compilation, a little montage of things that you could do to your synthetic wig to be able to wear it outside and to kind of hide the fact that it is in fact a wig, a synthetic one. I'm feeling very extra today, so I'm sorry if I'm doing too many hand gestures or facial distortions. Also, what the hell is this weather? Why? Why are you doing this to me? Okay, anyways, let's get right into the video. First and foremost, I would tell you to customize your lace. In normal hairlines, you'd have the scalp showing through, you'd have baby hairs and everything, but this does not. So it looks a bit drawn on. And the first thing I would tell you is to grab your tweezers and just start plucking all the hair. But let's say you don't feel like doing any of that. Here are the second best options. Number one. Merry Christmas! A beanie. A beanie is probably the easiest, the oldest trick in the book to make a synthetic wig look natural. A beanie is actually a really easy way to ensure that your wig A stays on and B blends. The beanie hides any kind of rough edges, it hides the unnatural kind of looking form of the synthetic wig. If it has a questionable hairline, it'll cover it up and it looks super cute. Why? Of course, this you can only really wear it in winter. Wigs are already kind of a beanie in of itself, so to wear a beanie on top, it has to be quite cold. Solution number two. Let's say it's not winter, or you just feel like Kylie Jenner in her Lip Kit music video. It's time for a bandana. This thing is a really cool way to hide the fact that your wig is a wig, but also look really freaking cute. This is from Bershka. I got it for €7 and I wear it in every single wig video since then. Like this, literally the whole top half of the wig is covered. It just kind of looks like you're wearing a cute accessory, except that we're making it work. Of course, we can wear this thing however the hell we want. Style number three, kinda. These are all kind of on the same lines. Headbands are kind of the coolest, easiest, most stylish ways to wear them because it doesn't depend on a season and they're pretty easy to obtain. This is also from Bershka because they have some cute, really affordable things in their store. Oh, we're done. Hi, I'm that cute girl from Instagram. Hashtag DM me. Hit me up, girl. Tip number 17, always brush out your synthetic wig. They tangle so quick and so fast and so easily. Okay, let's say you don't want to cover up your wig, you just want to accessorize it. We can go bridal too. You know what I'm thinking? Of course, you know, you're my babies. You've been on this channel long enough to know what I'm gonna do. Hi. Finally, maybe we feel very, I don't know, like a freaking fairy. Every single wig has a lot of potential, and you can for sure definitely wear synthetic wigs by themselves, but you would have to just change a bit their kind of their natural setting a bit. As I said, this gorgeous wig that I got is from Hairspells. I actually really love it. I will be customizing it later in the future for another video, but until then it's going to stay in its full glory. I might actually cut it. Let me know down below what you thought of these ideas and if you'd actually try them. These are many things that I actually do for my wigs, so I definitely know that they work because I go out with them. Cool, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next video.